So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the lot size filter here on Redfin. So for this example, I'll use Scottsdale as the location, but this of course can be whatever location you're looking at. Now, if you wanted to maybe buy a plot of land that is a certain size, or maybe you just want to buy a house that's on a certain size of land, whether it's too small or too big, whatever. It's pretty straightforward. Just go to the top here to where it says filters and press on that. Then just scroll down to where it says property details. Now, where it says lot size right here, you can actually adjust your minimum and your maximum. So, for example, if you're looking for a lot that is, 1 acre in regards to minimum and maybe 5 acres in regards to max, you can go ahead and do that right here. Go to the bottom right, press on see homes, and then you can see your search being refined this way. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit the lot size filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.